Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Creative Pathshala. My name is Varsha and I welcome you to my channel. Now today I'm going to review three books for you, three textbooks for you. You can say that activity books basically. And these three books are math activity books, or you can say maths activity books. And these three are from the same publication, and that is Dreamland Publications. Now the first book which I'm going to tell you about today is the activity book for age 4+. That is named as Kids Second Activity Book, and the other one is your maths activity book, which I'll tell you how is it different because of the worksheets covered in the same. And the next one is a fabulous one from Dreamland Publications, and that is Kids Second Activity Book, Logical Reasoning, age 4+, Test Your IQ. And the first one was for learning numbers. I missed out, sorry. So that was it. Now today, before I begin, there's an urgent request from all of you that if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, do consider doing so. Why are you waiting so long? What are you waiting for so long? You must subscribe the channel and get connected to us on our Instagram handle as well. So stay connected by subscribing, get the video notifications as and when I upload the videos, and on Instagram do connect with us, see for the other activities, what do we do in our personal lives, and get a more candid side of us on Instagram. So let us begin. So the very first book which I'm going to tell you today, I'm going to review these three books, but first of all I'm going to take this one up, and that is Learning Numbers, Dreamland Kids Second Activity Book, Maths, age 4+. Now first of all, the price point. So you can see this is from Dreamland Publications, price is $160, and you can see a variety of books which are available in this particular series for different subjects, for different languages. So the price point is 160, trying to say that obviously you need to check out for the current offers on Amazon and grab hold of this particular book. So the first page looks like this, and the very first one is tracing the numbers. So you can see that it always, anything which begins with a revision, and it begins with something easy. So they have also done the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and accordingly they have proceeded. The paper quality is excellent, the colors, the activities, they are just superb. You will get to know as and when I proceed. So you can see that they have revised 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Accordingly the child has to repeat the same, trace it out. Next is help the bee to go from one flower to another to drink the nectar. Next is bubbly bee wants to count the number of petals. So let's help her in counting the petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the child counts. It's entire revision which is happening right now. So here again, match the numbers with the pictures. Pictures have been very vibrant, colors have been used to illustrate the same, and then the same has to be matched by the child after counting it. Next is Sam the snail has lost his color, so let's make him happy by coloring him. This is an excellent activity. You can see the snail, it has been numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for 1 the child is supposed to color red, for 2 the child is supposed to color orange, and accordingly. Next is help Minnie the mouse find the incorrect number in each row. So the incorrect number, whereby the children mostly, they get or have doubts regarding the recognition and identification of the number. So you can see that 2 is written in the opposite way, ulta. So that has to be identified. Similarly for 5, so the number which has been written wrongly has to be identified by the child. Next is complete the scenery by drawing at the appropriate position. So you can see that 2 ducks, 6 clouds, 3 windows, 7 fish, 5 apples have to be positioned accordingly in this given picture. So numbering happens, counting happens, and at the same time the activity, fun activity happens, and the child learns through play. So the next one is color the scene as per the instructions, and the instructions have been given. Count and color 1 picture with red, 2 pictures with orange, and accordingly. So they need to count the pictures, and 1 should only be in red in color, so they might choose the boat to be red, and accordingly the ducks or the grass or anything, but according to the numbering given over here. So you can see, definitely check out the several activities which have been given over here. So altogether how many activities are there? I'll tell you, there are 64 activities or 64 pages which have been numbered. The paper quality is excellent. The pages the type of activities which helps the child to think is really good. Some of them are easy, some of them are difficult, so it's a mix and match of easy, medium and difficult activities. So for a 4 plus child, that is age 4 plus child, this is an apt book for giving a daily practice. So definitely go ahead and you can get this for your kid. Next is, so I'll just keep it separate over here. So the next one is Dreamland My Activity Series Maths Activity Book. So you can see, again, first of all I'll show this to you. So this is it, and you can see that this is priced at 100 rupees, and obviously I got it for some discount which was ongoing. Again, this is from Dreamland Publications, and they have got several other stuffs. You can just browse through whatever collections they have, and accordingly you can go ahead. So you can see that again it's in the worksheet form. Worksheet in the sense that, you know, whereby the child has already learned the numbers, but actually how to use those numbers and what kind of questions could be based on those particular numbers backward, and the entire 1 to 50 or 1 to 20, whatever the child has learned. So that is tested over here. So that is checked over here. So the child gets a whole lot of practice of what is to be done. So count and write, you can see at the top. Then the next one is feed the monkey. So how many mangoes is the monkey being fed over here? So accordingly the number has to be written. Which one is, the child has to draw an egg on the top. So drawing, shapes, everything is taken care of. Circle the same number. So you can see the numbers are written on the left hand side and the same number has to be identified. Over here again you can see that they have been numbered, these capsicums, and accordingly they have to be colored. So whichever is numbered as 1 has to be colored as green. Nest search. So each and every bird with the specific number has to be matched with the same nest. So accordingly you can see that several activities, and just see the colors. I mean, even if you definitely, I do not say you can't make them at home. You can definitely make them at home also, but you can just go ahead and grab these books which are really superb and excellent for your child. And at such a reasonable price point, I guess that no parent would hesitate getting one for their child. Next is Test Your IQ. This is also from Dreamland. Second activity book. Logical reasoning would be specifically mentioned. So if you are looking for this book, just check for this thing before you purchase. And age is 4 plus. And the price point is 160 bucks for, and it is also from Dreamland Publications, and you can see a whole series of the same whereby they have got different age groups and logical reasoning books are there. So let us quickly begin. So the child is supposed to fetch out how many letters and how many numbers are inside this particular net. Then the child, again, see, what I really like about these books is, and do not think that it's a sponsored video, it's an unsponsored video whereby I have spent my hard-earned money to buy these books. So it's totally an unsponsored video, but I really like two things about it, is that the quality of activities which they give, and second is the price point. It's reasonable, it does not burn a hole into a parent's pocket, and secondly the child gets a thorough revision of the entire concept. So like, if both the points are satisfied, what is wrong in going ahead with the same? So complete the series, you can see over here. So it's like A, B, obviously C for cat, so C comes over here, D for drum, so D comes over here. Accordingly the child complete the series. So it is like star, moon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bat, ball, bat, ball. So, you know, the child thinks that what is going to come next. Draw any picture using the blocks. Using this, what can be made? A house can be made, a road can be made, a sun can be made, and several other things can be done. So it's totally for helping or improving the IQ of the child. Several activities are given. You can make a choice if you want both. So I wanted both, so I went ahead and I got the same. So shadow matching is over here, you can see. Then completing that particular sun, crossing the odd picture, and several other stuffs are there. So I really liked it, and that is why I would suggest that if at all you are looking for such books which will help in improving the math quotient or the math aspect, numbering aspect of your child, so you have to get these 3 books is what I would suggest. So first one is Learning Numbers, second one is Test Your IQ, and obviously the third one I would suggest to go ahead and get the same for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and again I would request all of you to please subscribe, like, share Creative Pathshala, and also do try to follow us on the Instagram handle. Thank you so much. Bye bye all of you. Thank you.